Hi guys, welcome back to the garage. Oh my, I have been having withdrawals because I've had to go back to work this week, so it's been rough. But with Veterans Day tomorrow, we got off early at work today, and so yay! And I came home and I had stuff. So I'm going to do a couple of little treats for you to get today. So one is, I want to show you this package. Can you see what that says? That says Hungary. Hungary. These are from Hungary. Now, for those of you who don't know, my guy is part Hungarian. His parents are actually from Hungary. So I guess that makes him like 50% Hungarian school bus. So, anyways, I saw these advertised on eBay, and what I found out from my guy was that Hungarians don't do a whole lot of tarot cards or things of that nature. So I wasn't sure what they were, but they were from Hungary, and they were, at least what they said was it was from the 80s. So these are divinatory cards from the 80s. I haven't been able, because the package is still sealed, that the cards are in. I haven't been able to. I don't know if they're tarot or if they're Lenormand. I haven't been able to figure that out yet. So I'm trying to preserve the envelope because I mean it's Hungary, you know. I gotta keep this. All right, bear with me. I probably should have opened this before, but you know, I got so excited that I wanted to show you guys this. That yeah. So my guy's folks are from Hungary, and of course her parents are from Hungary as well. Okay, so oh, they're tiny. So I bet you they're Lenormand. I bet you they're Lenormand cards. Oh my goodness. They really wrapped them up in saran wrap, plastic wrap. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I'm going to get You know, that stuff that usually does not stick to anything except itself. Yeah, that's what they wrapped it in. So, anyways, these looked much bigger on the screen. So I have a feeling these are Lenormand cards. Vet Vito Carcia. Vito Carcia, which I think is Lenormand. And they are in uh, they're in German, French, Croatian, English, Italian, and Hungarian. So isn't that cool? Okay. So I'm going to open them. Going to open them. I'm going to keep the, of course, I'm going to keep the packaging, but I'm gonna try and get in here. Oh, look! They're actually like on cardboard. Oh no, they're on paper. They're on paper. Very thin, very thin. I don't think I'm even going to use these. These will probably be, you know, pretties to keep. Um, yeah, I think I've already bent one of the cards. Jeez. Does that happen to anybody else? You get a brand new tarot deck, and then the first card out of the box or the second card out of the box, you put a crease in it? Every damn time. I don't think I have a single tarot deck that's in pristine condition because I've always been something. So, anyways, all right, so here is Fortune, Anger. Ooh, these are different. Malady, like illness. Merriment. Hope. Maybe these aren't Lenormand. Marriage. Are these like gypsy fortune cards, maybe? Judge. I love the pictures. House. Widow. The pictures are very sweet. Sadness. Definitely very old-fashioned. Ooh, jealousy. If anybody recognizes these, let me know. Baby. It's not Lenormand. Widower. How many cards are there, does it say? 36. There are 36 cards. Fidelity. Visit. Loss. Desire. Enemy. Yes, and that's actually how the card is. It is fuzzy. It's not clear. Message. Money. Some money. Journey. Death. Falseness. Lover. That kind of looks like Vincent Price, doesn't it? Letter. Sweetheart. Misfortune. Love. Thief. Constancy. Officer. Thought. Unexpected joy. Ecclesiastic. Wow. And gift. I think these are like gypsy cards because there was one in here I recognized. Oh, and here are the backs, which I believe is all the zodiac signs plus some. There was a card in here near the end that I recognize because I see it all the time on eBay. This one. Letter. This is the one I see advertised online all the time. And so I think these were, I think these are like gypsy reading cards. So anyway, if you guys have any insight or anything, please let me know. Let me know. So, anyways, so there are my now beloved Hungarian Divinatory cards. And yeah, so much love, and we'll see you next time.